This is Tim Willis, only with a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video by the Nomad Funnel Hacker. So I did a video recently where I referenced the Funnel Hacker Cookbook written by Russell Brunson, and it is available as a free download. I'm going to just do this brief little video going through how you can get that. So this is the main site. It's at funnelhackercookbook.com. And then it's going to lead you to this page here. And you see it says free download. And below that, get my top 22 sales funnel for free inside the new Funnel Cookbook. Now, of course, once you do this, as you might expect, you're going to get some promotional emails from Russell Brunson. That's the price you pay when you give somebody your email address to get a free item. We all do that. And you can always, of course, clean up your email list at some future date. You probably already do that anyway. In any case, we're going to go through the process of going through the site. We'll also take a look at the site while we're at it. So you see here is a very direct opt-in page we've got here. It shows us picture Russell Brunson with the cookbook, and tells us what it is, and tells us, yes, download the free Funnel Cookbook now. So if we click on that, it's going to bring up a pop-up, and you're just going to enter your email address and click the button below. It says download Funnel Cookbook now. And then that's going to lead you to some videos. And then below the video, we get a choice to either download the free PDF or have them ship you a hard copy. And you'll have to pay the shipping and handling for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the hard copy page. And we've got another video and order form. I'm trying to see if it gives us the price of the shipping and handling. Okay, so the price for that is going to be $19.95 plus tax in the U.S. or $38.95 international, anywhere in the world. So if you're interested in getting the hard copy, that's one way you can do it. Or see if you can find one of the ClickFunnels offers in which it's included as one of the bundled bonus items. But since this is a video about how to get the free version, we are going to go back to our previous page where we have the other button that says download the free PDF. So you click on that, and you immediately get a download of the Funnel Hackers Cookbook. So even if you do want to order the hard copy, you can always come here, get the download, and get started while you're waiting for your hard copy version to arrive. And then you just save this like any other PDF to your computer, and that's pretty much it. And so that is how you can get a free digital copy of the Funnel Hacker Cookbook by Russell Brunson, or how you can order a hard copy version of the Funnel Hacker Cookbook if that's what you want to do. So that's it for the video. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, webpage design, marketing research, and all the tools we use to accomplish all the things. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.